Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Honda CRV. CRV, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: fog lights, heated front seats, side airbag, security system, daytime running lights, leather upholstery, dual zone climate control, steering wheel cruise control, rear view camera, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.